Welcome to Painted Kids Studio, where we make amazing art videos. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified every time we post a new art video. Hello friends, Miss Kate here with our drawing of the day. Today I am drawing something kind of funny. It's a dancing sunflower in a flower pot. So I've been teaching these videos for a long time, a couple months now, every single day. So I have to keep coming up with creative ideas. So here is our dancing sunflower. I am working with Sharpie on paper, but I highly recommend that you guys start with pencil and eraser just in case you make a mistake. To start our sunflower, I'm actually going to start with our flower pot. So to draw our flower pot, I like to start with like a long, thin rectangle, like that. That's gonna be the top of our flower pot. Then after we have that top edge of our flower pot, I'm gonna draw two slightly angled lines coming down from that rectangle. And then at the bottom of the flower pot, to finish it off, I'm just gonna do a curve like that to make it look like it's rounded. Now I'm not gonna draw my flower stem yet. I wanna draw my sunflower first. So my sunflower is gonna go way up here, and I'm gonna start my sunflower with a big circle. And then after I have my big circle on, I'm actually gonna draw a smaller circle inside, like this. So a little bit of smaller circle inside of there. And then after you have your circle on the inside, so you've got the whole center of the flower done, we're gonna start putting on the sunflower's petals. So I like it to look like a sun. So it's gonna have like these kind of like pointy petals coming all like around this circle. They're coming out from this circle on it. Like I want them to be really layered up. So there's no space that doesn't have a petal on the outer edge of this circle. So it's like, looks like a sun. That's why it's called a sunflower. All right, so I've got my petals on, and the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw my stem. So my stem is gonna come down into my pot. And look how I drew two lines. That's because I wanna show a thickness, so I want my stem to be green, not black. So I had to draw two lines. Then after you have the stem on there, if you guys want to put a couple leaves, usually I'll put like a couple leaves like this. And then this next part is kind of funny, but I'm actually going to make my sunflower look kind of like it's alive, like it's like a character. So I'm going to draw, watch, you guys will see what I'm drawing here. I'm going to draw a line like this, and then I'm going to go scoop down and scoop down. You guys see what I'm doing? I am making some sunglasses on my sunflower. All right, so there's some really cool sunglasses on my sunflower, and I might even, since I've got sunglasses, I might as well just put like a little nose and a smile too. So there's a happy little sunflower. Looks like he's dancing in his flower pot. All right, so when you get to this point, you are ready for color. So flower pots are usually, the ones that I see anyway, like the terracotta, like ones, they're like an orange color. So a lot of times with sunflowers, and if I put them in a flower pot, I usually make this flower pot orange. But that doesn't mean you guys have to make it orange. You can make it like polka dots, stripes, rainbow, hearts and stars, whatever you want. I'm gonna make mine orange because it goes a little quicker, and I don't like these videos to be too long. All right, so I've got my flower pot done. If you guys wanna get fancy with your flower pot, like I said, doing different colors, so I might add a little shading on here, like underneath this first rectangle, I might put a little shading just to make it look a little bit more detailed. All right, so color your flower pot, and then I'm gonna move up to my stem. So stems are green. So I got my green, and I'm working with colored pencil today. Guys, you just work with what you got. So if you have crayons or markers or paint or whatever, you guys can color this with whatever you have. So I've got green for my leaves and my stem, and now moving up to my sunflower. So sunflowers, let me find my brown color. Here's brown. All right, so sunflowers are like, the middle of them is brown, and actually the middle is like a darker brown, I think, than the outer edge, but I'd have to be looking at a sunflower to see, but I think the inside is like almost black. It's like a really dark brown. So I might, see, I'm like going over this again, because I might do this inside circle like a darker brown and then maybe like a lighter brown for the outside circle like this. All right, that's looking pretty good. All right, and then just like the sun, our petals are going to be yellow. So I have 2 different shades of yellow with the color pencil set I have. So I'm using kind of like the goldish yellow color, like I guess it's a little more of a yellow orange. I don't know what the name of this one is. What is it called? Spanish orange. Ooh, fancy. All right, so I got Spanish orange, but yeah, it's just like a little bit warmer yellow color instead of like a lemon yellow. It's just kind of like a brighter yellow orange color. All right, guys, I'm gonna let you finish up your dancing sunflower on your own. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. This was a really fun, kind of funny, but a really fun lesson. And I am still posting these videos every single day on YouTube at 1 p.m. So I hope you'll be back and drawing with me again tomorrow.